If you want to take clear night mode photos with your iPhone Air, this video will show you how to turn on auto night mode, even night mode max, and shoot with up to 30 seconds of exposure for brighter and sharper low light shots. To enable night mode, make sure you're at a darker place or ambience. If your camera is open, you'll get this moon icon at the top, and you can tap on it to enable night mode auto. Also, if you swipe up the screen from here, you can tap on this moon icon to enable night mode. As you can see, initially it's just showing 3 or 5 seconds, max 10 seconds. To use night mode max, especially for something like astrophotography, you need to just keep your iPhone completely still. Now, using a tripod makes it much easier. And if you do so, as you can see, the exposure can increase up to 30 seconds. When it does, just press and hold the shutter to take the photo. After it processes for that time, it'll generate a final image for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.